Hi, folks. Quick update and question on a project that we're working on right now. I got in the mail this, and this is what everybody wants right now. So this is a Feather RP2040. So it has the Raspberry Pi 2040 chip in it, and it's inexpensive. It's about 12 bucks. We will be designing custom devices using this chip. There's absolutely no doubt about it. We will probably be using this board in some of our designs. In fact, it is a great board for driving the Featherwing. So I got one in, and I wanted to play with it. So I made a video on Facebook if you want to watch, where I installed CircuitPython on it. And what I tried to do is I tried to take the HeadMouse that we have, that has the little B&O 055 orientation sensor on it, and I currently have that working with the Cutie Pie. This is the SAMD21 M0 processor, little cheap processor, and I wanted to see if I could get it to work with the RP2040, and I did very briefly, and then it broke. So I want to show you kind of what I'm seeing and what's happening. It does very briefly work. So if I plug in the Stemma QT connector here, and then I'll put this on and go to a different view. That's fine. So I'm going to plug this in. And let me make my mouse here. You can see it. So my mouse is right there. So when I plug this in, what it should do is it should show up as a mouse, and when I move left and right, it should work. So what I'm seeing is if I reload this, you'll see it'll say no pull-up found on SDA or SCL, which usually means that I don't have the plug-in, the wire incorrect. But that's not it, because I've used the same exact wire with the Cutie Pie. So what I found is that if I disconnect this wire and reconnect it, which is hard to do blind, and then restart the device, you'll see it's working. I can look left, I can look right, and look left, my hands are here, and then I get that. I get clock stretched too long. And I suppose there are a few things that this could be. It could be that, I can take off these geeky things. It could be that the clock rate, the I2C clock, is running at the wrong speed. And maybe the default is different on the RP2040 and I need to change my code in some way. But it probably is something I should report back to Adafruit, and I will. Dan Halbert is over there. Has been super helpful on debugging these things, but I am kind of excited that in about 20 minutes, I was able to get this, install CircuitPython on it, install the existing CircuitPython code that I had working on the Atmel SAMD, and had a HeadMouse. Very briefly, we had a piece. So I'm a little excited about that. I might try and show it on the show and tell tonight, especially if I can get an answer, but I don't think that's going to happen because it's only an hour from now. But thought I'd share. It's kind of cool that this kind of stuff exists. We definitely will be watching this chip going forward, and thanks for joining us.